Welcome! In today's video, we're going to show you how to hide your Facebook story from someone. Maybe you want to keep your story private from certain people, or perhaps you just don't want certain people to see your posts. Either way, Facebook gives you the option to customize who can view your stories, and we'll walk you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. Step 1. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're running the latest version of the app for the most up-to-date features. Step 2. Once you're logged in, tap on Create Story at the top left of your screen. This will open up the story creation page where you can add photos, videos, and text to your story. Step 3. Now, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the privacy settings for your story. Step 4. From the options that appear, tap on Hide Story From. This will allow you to select specific people who you want to hide your story from. Step 5. Here, you'll see a list of your friends and followers. Simply mark the people you want to hide your story from. Once you've selected who you want to exclude, just save your settings. And that's it. You've now successfully hidden your Facebook story from specific people. It's a great way to keep your content more private and share it with the audience you feel comfortable with. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on using Facebook.